always central. And if we consider the height of the tongue, the direction of the tongue, how high the tongue is, the tongue moves from what? A closed position to a more, a closed position to a what? Centering position. So we call it centering. Air, are called centering because the tongue goes from a closed position to a centering position, mid position, according to Peter Roach. And other phoneticians just say that they are central because the second element is a central vowel. Yeah? Okay. If we consider prominence, tears, poor. Are they falling? Yes. All right. Okay. So, let's go back to this. If we analyze the distance the tongue travels, it could be classified into wide or narrow. If we analyze the direction of the glide, it could be classified as close in centering or front, central and back. And if we analyze the prominence of the elements, they are classified into falling, English diphthongs are generally falling, or rising. Let's see. How do you pronounce this word? Say again. Period. So we have the diphthong ear, right? Period. Do you think these two are the same in terms of auditory features? Period. Is this falling? Is it falling? Yeah, because the first element is more prominent than the second. Is this falling too? Do I say period?
It's rising.
No. This is rising. Why? Because the second element is stronger than the first. We say yeah. We don't say ear. We say yeah. Similar to this. Okay. This happens when the diphthong ear occurs in a weak syllable. When it occurs in a weak syllable, it's rising. Say period. Okay, another example. Serious. You see? Serious. All right. And it's the same case with or. For example, say this. El tour, yeah? In English. Tour. That's it. Tour. Falling? Yes. What happens here? Say this, please. Do I say influence? Influence? Do I say that? The stress falls here. Say influence. So this is a weak syllable, right? So this becomes what? Rising. Because it occurs in a weak syllable. Can you follow me? All right. So, what we'll do now is review the diphthongs, because you saw this with Mrs. Nassar. We'll review the phonetic and phonological features of all the diphthongs. Then, we'll contrast all the diphthongs and all the vowels, English vowels, with Spanish vowels and diphthongs. Oh, okay. All right, so So let's say this again. If we analyze the distance the tongue travels, wide or narrow, direction of the glide, closing or centering, according to Peter Roach, or other phoneticians say they are front, central, back. And prominence, they could be falling or rising. So these are phonetic features, okay? Very good. Now, on phonological features, when we study phonological features, you see, we say what? We analyze the distribution of the diphthong, the positions, and what else? The allophonic variants. And in this particular case, we study the process called pre-fortis clipping. Remember? Okay. So, all right. We're going to start with, okay, close and diphthong.